Hi, we're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at a Toro 72504 GrandStand. This mower does come with a 48-inch 7-gauge TurboForce cutting deck. We do have a Bullnose front bumper, as well as a 22 horsepower Kawasaki FX engine. This mower does come with robust rear tires, as well as 11-inch front tires. We have the controls with the ignition, throttle, hour meter, this mower does have an easy 10.5 gallon removable fuel tank. There is a stand-on flip-up platform, as well as your stand-on cushion. This mower does come with a cutting height adjustment of 1.5 to 5 inches. There is a rubber chute. This mower does have maintenance-free cast aluminum spindles. There is a top forward speed of 10 miles per hour. Once again, this is the Toro GrandStand. If you were interested in this mower or any other mower we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.